Ever since the introduction of the first robot vacuum in 1996, the self-cleaning home has been a dream, but for most people, price has been the biggest obstacle. However, with the changes in modern technology, you no longer have to spend a fortune to get a robot vacuum. The popular Eufy RoboVac 11S by Anker is among the most affordable robot vacuum models available. So is it worth buying? In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Eufy RoboVac 11S. We'll be going over key features, who this product is for, and how it compares to the competition. How well does it actually work? And will that dream of a self-cleaning home become a simple, affordable reality? Stay tuned and let's dive into the video to find out. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is an update to the popular RoboVac 11 and promises to deliver powerful, efficient cleaning performance and a more compact form factor for the same $220. Currently, the RoboVac 11S is the smallest robot vacuum on the market at 12.8 inches in diameter and standing at a mere 2.8 inches tall. That makes it the shortest robot vacuum we've tested. With its low clearance height, it was able to get under our coffee table, media console, and even fit under our couch. The RoboVac 11S has a sleek and smooth black tempered glass upper deck. We think that extra bit in the design makes the 11S look high-end and stands out in contrast from Roomba, Samsung, Niato, and other brands, most of which have a more industrial and utilitarian look. On top of the vacuum, the oval power button doubles as an indicator light. It flashes orange while charging, blue when the battery is full, and red if there's an error. The front edge of the vacuum is home to the bumper, which also houses its infrared sensors. On the opposite end is the surprisingly large 0.6-liter dustbin, the bottom of which has a handy error troubleshooting chart. Underneath, you will find 2 spin brushes, a nose wheel, 2 main treads, a rolling brush, charging contacts, and drop sensors. In the box, you will also get a charging dock, a power adapter, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, a cleaning tool, 2 spare side brushes, and 2 spare filters. Unfortunately, there are no virtual barriers, so you can't section off areas you don't want to clean using the remote. We had to do it the old-fashioned way by blocking the vacuum's path with something that couldn't scoot underneath. Some robot vacuums rely on a methodical cleaning method, following a clear path of relatively straight lines across one room before moving to the next. The 11S, however, ping-pongs across the room with no clear rhyme or reason, but still manages to cover every nook and cranny. It's actually quite entertaining to watch. When the 11S literally ran into obstacles through trial and error, it slowly bumps and edges around the obstacle until it finds another clear path. And as mentioned earlier, its relatively short stature allows it to navigate under obstacles other vacuums can't manage, saving you from the need to clean under furniture. Something to point out, the RoboVac 11S won't hit every spot in your home on any given run, which gives it a poor first impression. You might be dismayed to find out its first run leaves entire tracts of your home uncleaned. But give it a few days though, and it will catch everything in its ping-pong action, and with regular daily cleaning, it will manage to keep your home clean. The RoboVac 11S proved to be good at maneuvering across different types of flooring. It easily managed transitions between carpet and vinyl and had no problems with raised edges. And while no vacuum is truly silent, we thought the 11S is quiet as they come. We found it barely noticeable even when we were standing in the same room, and if you have the TV on or music playing, you probably won't hear it at all. The RoboVac 11S also has a Boost IQ suction mode that automatically increases cleaning strength on carpeted floors. We found this feature very convenient as it eliminated the need to manually change suction modes during cleaning sessions. Battery life is also very solid. We got up to 100 minutes on a single charge and would be sufficient for cleaning most apartments or single floors of a house. On the downside, you can't customize schedules for the 11S like you can with many other robots. For example, you can't have it clean one time Monday and Wednesday and a different time Tuesday and Friday. Once you set a time, it will clean at that same time every day. Another caveat is that the RoboVac 11S is not Smart Assistant compatible and cannot be voice controlled. This may be a deal breaker for some. Bottom line, if you don't need phone or voice control, the Eufy RoboVac 11S is a very good choice for the price and busts dust just as well as robot vacuums that cost twice as much. In testing, it easily picked up a full bin of dirt, hair, and plenty of other odds and ends from our floors. We loved its small form factor, powerful suction, quiet operation, and solid battery life. Sure, there are quote-unquote smarter robot vacuums with sexy apps and voice control capabilities, but ultimately it's the cleaning that counts. In that regard, the Eufy RoboVac 11S holds its own with the best of them, and is our favorite budget-friendly robot vacuum for those looking to supplement their weekly cleanings. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.